Our active weather continues this afternoon. This time we're talking about wind. We just had a new high wind warning issued. I was just talking about this, how the wind is picking up and whipping around in the wake of this system. And now a warning issued until 3 o'clock this afternoon. It's outside of Fargo-Moorhead. We're looking at places more into the Wahpeton-Breckenridge area down into South Dakota, Sargent County there too. And then back into Otter Tail County and Wadena County, a high wind warning in effect until 3 o'clock. Just a reminder, we did get a call from a viewer in the Pelican Rapids area saying that the wind went crazy there, and we could see gusts perhaps even in excess of 50 miles per hour. And that speed, we could have some damage happen, especially those objects that are easily lifted and lofted like trampolines or inflatables out at the lake. So again, we're looking at some pretty strong winds here this afternoon now. And here's a look at our wind speeds zoomed in on some of these spots. Detroit Lake's one of those places, a steady speed to 35. We've got a gust of 48 there. Monoma not so bad at 21. Looks like Fergus Falls has a stronger steady wind, but no gust being reported as of right now. And then down in Wheaton, close to 30 miles per hour. Gwinner, 40 miles per hour, our current wind gust being reported there. So it's a windy one in the wake of this rain. Up to the north, not so bad. We're seeing wind out of the east and a couple of gusts around Devil's Lake and Langdon to some low 20s. So here's a look at our radar. We have some places where we're clearing out, including in Fargo, other spots still getting the rain, and some where we're seeing a little bit of storm development. So I'm going to step over to the weather wall to take a closer look. You can see where we've got those breaks in the clouds right from Grand Forks down through Fargo. Nice to see some blue sky after the rain. We got some reports of more than an inch of rain in some places, and we're going to take a look at that coming up here in just a bit. And taking a look to the east again, this is that larger area of steady rain coming down. It's in the wake of this that we're going to see those winds really start to pick up. It's happening right now in Detroit Lakes. It happened in Pelican Rapids a few minutes ago, and we'll continue as this moves to the east, see some of those stronger winds all the way down toward places like Wheaton. So in the meantime, you're going to have some showers affecting your lunch break here in some of these places. Now moving off to the west, a couple of thunder showers starting to get going again west of Edgeley, 1 or 2 lightning bolts associated with them, and that is a possibility this afternoon. We're seeing the main area of rain move on, but we're still going to see the potential for some isolated showers or thunder showers, which may add up in some of these same places. We were at 1 inch of rain reported in Edgeley with that first round, and check out Cullom, 1.8 inches of rain there. Verona close to 1.3, Lemoore just under an inch, and here in the FM area, various reports coming in. At the Horace area, we had about 0.6 of an inch, so more than a ½ inch of rain came down in the FM area. So if you've got a report to pass along, we'd love to see it. You can head to our Facebook page and let us know there. Here's our temperatures. We are cool into the 50s to some 60s in Valley City and in Gwinner. We're at 64 degrees where we've had some breaks in the clouds. And checking out your planner heading into the rest of the day, again, the main band of rain going to move on, but we'll still see some of these spotty areas of showers or a thunder shower or 2 in the south. Northern Valley a lot drier in that area. And this is 3 o'clock. Temperatures are going to be in the 60s as you step outside around that point in time. So feeling pretty cool here on this August day. And in the far south, there is that chance we could see a couple more thunderstorms that get a little stronger. Places like Traverse County and into Grant County down in the south. But beyond that, we are looking like that will be quieting down as we continue on into the evening. You can see that there down by Alexandria and then stretching south along I-94 from there. So looking pretty good here for tonight, finally quieting things down. We'll see some chances for rain tomorrow morning. A quick look at your Friday. Notice how it's isolated, but the potential is there for more clouds and the potential for an isolated shower or 2. So here's a look at our 7-day planner. Again, conditions are going to be into the unsettled side all week. Into this weekend, we have a chance for some storms that could be strong. We have a first alert weather day for Saturday for the potential for severe weather.